Alright y'all, so today I do have a Cosmo custom that I will be doing from Fairly Odd Parents. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so basically what they want done with the shoe is Cosmo on here, a picture of Cosmo right here. Then they want some gradients of green kind of throughout the shoe. So I'm going to show you guys how. You already know, once we get the laces out, we get to prep the shoe using our acetone. I don't use this one anymore. I used it when I first started, but this is the acetone that I use now, and I just refill it just in case. Don't come for me. I use this acetone. Let's get it. We're just gonna prep the shoe anywhere that we are about to lay paint on. I like to go over about 2-3 times with the acetone. Also, don't forget your glove. This is where y'all wear gloves, y'all. But anyways, once we're done prepping the shoe, you kind of went over it. I go around it 2-3 times, all the paint. So this is the only areas that are going to be painted today. Just kind of like a gradient green, kind of like a darker green, lighter green, and a lighter green, all the way around. So let's do that. But before we can start painting, we do need to tape off everywhere that we don't want paint. I will take my tape and I'm going to tape off all the shoe again, everywhere that I don't want paint to touch. Since I am using an airbrush, I'm going to want to use tape for sure. So once you get done taping the shoe, we can then start prepping our airbrush. They want for this specific one, like I said, we're doing the Cosmo custom. So we need to make our greens, and it's gonna be 3 separate greens. It's gonna be like a darker green, a lighter green, and then a light green. So I have some Tupperwares that I like to use to mix my paint in. So I'm gonna mix my paint and then get started on the airbrush on the shoe. Okay, y'all, so I mixed my 3 paints that I'm gonna use. So 3 different shades of green in through my airbrush. Don't ask me why this is off. I'm actually putting it back on just for the video's sake, just so y'all not coming for me. It's just easier for me to clean it between paints. That's why I don't put it on. Anywho, about to pour this in, pour the paint in with my Too Thin. That's what I use to thin out the paint. I've seen some people like put Too Thin in the paint and then use a mesh strainer. I actually want to see if it works better and if it thins out the paint way more. So I'm actually gonna order one. So once you get done taking the tape off, what you're going to do is go ahead and go through, as you can see, like in the little crevices, there might be like spots that I've missed. It's kind of hard to see, like this is a good example right here. I'm gonna go ahead and go through with my paintbrush and kind of paint it over a little bit. But this is what they're looking like so far. And then after I do that paintbrush, I'm gonna paint this green here, and then they want Cosmo right here. Okay, y'all, so once y'all have the lettering done, actually what I'm gonna do now is gonna start the off-white style laces. I already did one. The easiest way to do the smaller hole punches, I do have drill bits and I usually use a drill like to do like the rope laces, but I won't be using these ones here today, just because it's a little bit easier for me to use the hand puncher. Okay guys, so I added all of the off-white style loops in here. And then I also added the Cosmo guy here. Now that I'm basically done, I will add my finisher. And I like to go with the matte finisher. This just kind of seals all the paint up, make sure there's no cracking. I'll add about 5-6 coats of this. Okay, y'all, that's gonna wrap up the custom of our Cosmo custom. If you guys do like this content, make sure you guys drop it down below. Make sure to let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys share it. This is not the only content I'm going to be doing on this channel, but if you do like the shoe videos, please let me know. I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gonna step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.